That guy up there is a monkey. There's two monkeys up there. And in Spanish they're called aulladores. I think it must mean something like howler monkey. Pretty excited to see him though. Up here is a whole family of monkeys. You can hear the rustling in the trees as they're eating some things. Let's see, can we zoom in? They're there.
It's a mama and a baby monkey. Hello, puppers.
Hey buddy, what's your name?
What's up, puppers?
What's your name? Oh! Back with his begging self.
There's a begging dog.
See that. Oh, see, he doesn't like it. Did you get that?
He doesn't like it, but he's begging anyway. Like I make my living off my cute life.
Oh, that dog wants to play too. This horse is headed right for me. Should I move? Is it gonna go around? Oh my gosh, he loves you. Oh my gosh. They're walking right by me. I'm laying here.
Okay, we just found a big bunch of hermit crabs. I'm trying to get to them to film them, but there's so many of them it's hard to avoid stepping on them. So here it goes.
Got a little guy on the move here. Oh, another guy on the move. I must be making them nervous. Bushy tail and red body. Can you see him? Another guy. Three guys. We've got three guys on the frame right now. Really exciting. Let's see what they're eating. Dang. It's a muscular looking squirrel. Well, maybe they're fighting with each other, who knows?
Hello, little man.
Is he so cute or what? Come here. This guy. Ah! The iguana fell out of the tree and now he ran into the room. He's on the bed. Oh my gosh.
What was that, Paige?
Marcella is trying to talk some sense into Pablo to tell him to leave the iguana alone because the iguana is so mad now and very scared and like all cornered in the room. So he's talking Paolo down from this broom fight with the iguana.
Mas você vai lastimar, pobre. Calma. Ô amor, não, ela não pode nem saltar.
Oh my god, his tail is huge.
Não, amor, calma.
He did.
Oh my god.
Dude, his tail is giant.
This chicken is the cleanup crew at the taco corner. He's a big chicken, actually. The chicken is back. These ants are so busy. Can you see all the green leaves moving? Those are ants.
Here's their little like deconstruction station. They start taking it apart and then taking it down into the hole piece by piece.